How do you clean the lid on a Yeti Insulated cup or Yeti Insulated mug? It slides open and closed like that, and they've designed it really well. This almost makes it worth paying so much more for a Yeti than another one. It's actually held on there by a magnet, so you just pull it up, take it off, scrub it clean, get it all of the germs out of there, and then just drop it back on, snap it into place, and your Yeti will seal again. So that's how you clean the lid on a Yeti. For comparison, if we look at these guys from Hydro Flask, they've got a solid state slider unit, and I couldn't see any way to get this apart. It just slides open, slides closed, and then if you kind of look at it from the side, you can see there's grooves that little tracks ride in. So I don't know how you would clean the brain-eating amoebas out of that if you had one of these and you wanted to, you're drinking hot chocolate and other stuff all the time in it. It would get pretty filthy, and you just have to, I guess, boil it to get it clean versus the way the Yeti comes apart. And then other ones, if you go cheaper, like if you want to go into the super cheap market, you can look at, this is Zach, and they just have little hooks that you can squeeze, and then the lid pops out like that, and then you just snap it back into place. That's another clever solution to the problem. So if you're looking to spend a little bit of money, you probably want to go with the super cheap one, because the insulating is probably going to be about as good as the Hydro Flask. If you've got all the money in the world, you go with the Yeti and you get the magic magnet. And here's an example of pretty much the cheapest generic one you can get. It's just a sliding gate on a plastic lid, and it works fine.